In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your library in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where your stored files live and how to quickly get back to them so you can reuse them across conversations without reattaching anything. First, let's talk about what the library is. Think of it as your personal shelf inside ChatGPT. Whenever you upload files, like documents, images, or spreadsheets, they're kept in one place so you can access them again later. This is especially handy if you refer to the same materials across different chats, projects, or workflows. Instead of hunting through old conversations or uploading the same file multiple times, the library streamlines everything. To open it, start on the left sidebar. This is the vertical panel where you see your conversation history and the button to start a new chat. It's your home base inside the app. Locate that panel on the left edge of the screen. You don't need to open any chats for this. Just make sure you're looking at that main sidebar. From there, click More. You'll usually find this near the bottom section of the sidebar. It's a small menu that expands to reveal additional options you don't see up top. Consider it the Extras drawer for tools and settings related to your account and workspace. Next, choose Library. The moment you select Library, you'll be taken to a dedicated area that lists your previously uploaded files. You'll see items organized with their names and file types, making it easy to recognize what's what at a glance. Because the library is shared across your conversations, files you added in one thread will be available for reuse in another. This is great for templates, reference PDFs, brand assets, or any resources you consult regularly. A few quick pointers to make the most of it. Give your files clear, descriptive names before you upload them so they're easier to spot later. Keep your library lean by focusing on files you actually reuse. And, as with any cloud-based storage, be mindful of what you upload. Avoid including sensitive personal or confidential information in your files. That's all there is to it. Open the left sidebar, click More, and choose Library. Once you're there, your reusable files are ready whenever you are. It's a small habit that can save you a lot of time, reduce duplicate uploads, and keep your workflow organized. Thanks for watching. If this